about Vancouver general contractors through their webpage, and I was looking at a bunch of different companies, and I was happy with what they had to say, and they had a like A+ review with Better Business Bureau, and I was reading some of the reviews, and then I started talking to them, and I was happy with it. My first meeting with VGC went really well. I met, I think the first project manager was Andrew, and he made me feel pretty comfortable. He spent a lot of time, felt really good with them. Going through the 3D design process made the decision making and with the whole scope of work a lot easier, and we were a lot more comfortable. Just helped out a lot when you knew exactly what it would look like. I thought the project manager, Abdul, was really helpful. He helped me and went out of his way a lot of times, took care of everything. Any little problems, he always took care of it. I was happy with him. Yes, I thought the designers were really helped us out a lot in picking all the different materials, and they gave me a lot of selections, and we were really happy with that. There was a lot of value to VGC's turnkey process. Really liked the way they took care of everything with dealing with the city, to the permits, to all the contractors. They took care of everything, which was reassuring. My favorite room in the house is my garage, because I used to have a one-car garage, and now I got a 3-car garage with a lift and lots of room, and it's insulated nice, and I can finally do all the work without being crowded. It's exactly what I've wanted all my life. If any family or friends wanted to do a renovation, I would highly recommend VGC, because they're a great job and you won't have to worry about anything. They took care of everything right from the beginning to the end. Highly recommend them.